Hari Om children, this is sum number 10 in exercise number 5.3. Find the equation of the straight line which has slope minus 5 comma 4 and passing through the point minus 1 comma 2. So slope also given, point also given. Directly apply in the formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus 2 is equal to minus 5 by 4 into x minus into minus plus 1. So 4 comes to the left hand side. 4y minus 4 2 are 8 is equal to minus 5 into x plus 1. 4y minus 8 is equal to minus 5x minus 5. Take it to the left hand side. 5x plus 4y minus 8 plus 5 is equal to 0. Simplify it. 5x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the line. With this, sum number 10 is completed. For the next sum number 11 in exercise number 5.3, you are downloading a song. The percent y in decimal form of megabytes remaining to get downloaded in x seconds is given by y is equal to minus 0.1 x plus 1. That is, you are downloading a song. Some half song is downloaded and remaining song must be downloaded. That remaining part, no, that data part is given by this equation. So we should draw graph for this equation. Now substitute 0 for x. Y is equal to 0 plus 1. Y is equal to 1. 0 plus 1. 0 into 0.1 is 0, right? So 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So your coordinate will be 0, 1. Substitute y is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1. When plus 1 comes to the other side, it becomes minus 1 is equal to minus 0.1x. Minus and minus will get cancelled. 1 divided by 0.1 is equal to x. In order to take out the decimal, multiply and divide by 10. So 10 divided by 1 is equal to x. X is equal to 10. So the coordinate will be 0, 10. Now 0, 1, where will you plot 0 on the x-axis? 0, 1. And 10, sorry, this is 10, 0. 10 is only for the x-axis and 0 is for your y-axis. So 10, 0. 10, 0 is here. 10, 0. Okay. Join these 2 points. You can give a rough diagram. Okay. It is not necessary that you have to draw it in a graph sheet. This is enough. So underline the answers 0, 1 and 10, 0. Now shall we move to the second subdivision? Second subdivision is find the total MB of the song. Find the total MB of the song. Find the total MB of the song. So the data of the song, total capacity of the song can be obtained at the initial position when you start downloading. Is it so or not? When you start downloading itself, it will show, the mobile phone will be showing the total capacity of the song, right? So here it is, that is the time of when time is 0 seconds. Initial position means the time will be 0 seconds. So time is given in x in this equation, right? Now take and write the equation first. Minus 0.1 plus 1. X is x seconds. X is the time, okay? seconds, which is the time. So when x is equal to 0, we can know the total MB of the song. y is equal to minus 0.1 into 0 when x is 0. So this term will go off. Y is equal to 1 MB. Okay. So the total capacity of the song is 1 MB. That's all about second subdivision. We are moving on to subdivision 3. Third subdivision is the time when 75% of the song is downloaded. Okay children, so 75% of the song means, what is the remaining percentage? Means it is 100. So the remaining percentage will be 100 minus 75 equal to 25% will be the remaining percentage, right? So y is equal to 25% means 25 divided by 100, which will give you 0.25%. So take this as y. 0.25% is the 25%. So that is why we are keeping that variable as y, means still 25% of the song must be downloaded. Okay. So the initial position of the song is total 1 MB, means the total 1 MB means the initial position, the time will be 0. Okay. So that is only we are keeping the total song which has to be downloaded is 1 MB. That is only we are keeping it as y. Now 3/4 of the song has been downloaded. Now y comes here. The remaining song which has to be downloaded is 25%. That is what we are keeping. Y is equal to 25%. Clear children? Now take and write the equation. Y is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1. So y is 0.25% is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1. We are finding out what is 1 here. I mean x here. Okay. Now take this 0.1 to the left hand side. It becomes positive, equal to 1 plus 0.25. Plus 0.25, when it goes to the other side, it becomes 1 minus 0.25. So if you subtract 0.25 from 1, you will get 0.75. Okay. So 0.1x is equal to 0.75. X is equal to 0.75 divided by 0.1. In order to take out, remove the decimal, multiply and divide by 100, equal to 75 divided by 10. X is equal to 7.5 seconds. So in order to download the remaining 25%, how many seconds is necessary? 7.5 seconds is necessary to download the remaining song. Now subdivision 4. After how many seconds? The song will be downloaded completely. Third question is, after how many seconds will 75% of the song will be downloaded? Okay, so after 7.5 seconds, 75% of the song will be downloaded. So cut this. So here the final subdivision, after how many seconds the song will be downloaded completely. So a song downloaded completely when y is equal to 0 means the full song must be downloaded. Okay. So let us keep as first write the equation y is equal to minus 0.1 x plus 1. We will keep it as initial position. So y will be 0, no, minus 0.1 x plus 1. Take this to the left hand side. 0.1 x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 divided by 0.1 into 10 divided by 10. X is equal to 10. So this 0 will go off. So 10 seconds is necessary. 10 seconds is needed to download the complete song. After completing the sum, underline all the solutions. Okay. With this, sum number 11 is completed. Hari Om.